Doing an alternator today on a Mercedes. I'm using my company's work light that I make. This is called the Goose-Grip vacuum suction plate mechanics work light. It is a 4.7-inch cast aluminum suction cup, highly modified, and supports a 3D printed battery housing with a Milwaukee 6.0 lithium-ion battery inserted into it. The professional mechanics, many of them already have that battery platform. And it uses a gooseneck that's 36 inches long and allows you to position this bendable gooseneck down where you want it. In this case, I'm going to work down there by the alternator. So I'm going to turn it on right by the rocker switch, and then I have awesome lighting. And while I'm working down there taking bolts out, I can move my light around on the fly, turn it at any angle. This lets you do ballerina, spinning it around 180 degrees and rotate it around like an airplane propeller. Want to go to the front of the motor and illuminate it, just do that. Really very handy. It's that third hand. This is actually better than a person holding a light for you. It allows you to work totally hands-free. The light doesn't move, gravity doesn't mess you up. This is available on Goose-Grip.com for $1.99 plus ship. Has a lifetime warranty. Minor conditions, nothing bad. Anyway, if you're a professional mechanic, this thing can't not help you. For those that want to battle me and tell me that you have the most wonderful light that you wear on your head, that's fine. You like wearing a light on your head. I never could, and I'm doing this 40 years. The light heats up. It gets your head itchy. I don't want to wear a light on my head. I want to just have a light next to my hands and have it not move. And Goose-Grip solves that 100-year-old problem of how to hold the light. And it does it very well. And there's 3 other lights. Look for them on Goose-Grip.com. I'm out.